Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Katanat pulet bakmi ya ki kampanya kali hakani kanong ba Shillong. Kala da penbet ya ke jingrung jingmi ki kali, kumjo hangno ban penyang ki kali ki bahe bat ki baren. Hakasngi hakaba on step dan buramno ya kamet jeng Archbishop jangkani ke jalan niam ba Shillong Most Reverend Dominic Jala kata haka arpulai terik mentau benai risau ar hajar khat khandai haba ya keren bat kinong pathai kubor haka janmi jong ka arpulai terik mentau benai risau ar hajar khat khandai ke SP jong ka East Castles District ke Conclodia Lingwa kala pensai benia bah halor ke jing penben ye ki jaka penyang kali hakani kasngi hakaba on omsha bandrong ye ki kali patba na dhan kiti Don Bosco Light no tangki kali jong ki he sorkar. Na kabanta ki kali he ki bawan na shabar sor Shillong. Ya ki bawan na ki than basaneng jong ka than nong thamai. Ya ki jeka penyang kali lapan ben. Hamadan yeleka jong ka nong thamai bat Hamadan yoreng hap ha Fire Brigade laim kra Shillong. Ki kali he ki bawan na ki than apar Shillong seneng. Kin hap ban penyang ha bat chorot. Ya ki bawan na ki banta sharumpat jong ka than ripoi. Kin hap ban ya lengba kasnong maulai bat kin hap ban penyang ki kali he jong ki ha parking lot polo bat Hamadan polo. Ya ki kali jong ki he sarkar kumjo ki he jong ka balangka theleng. Lapan bet ki jaka penyang kali ha Celestial Training Center bat Don Bosco Technical School. Na kabanta ki kali ret jong ki upat bapat ki jaka penyang kali ki dai Hamadan Malki ha Christ King College Basketball Court, ha St Mary's High School, ha Moru Institute of Integral Training, ha St Anthony's College Basketball Court, ha St Margaret School, ha St Anthony's High School, ha Lorito Convent, but ha kajaka penyang kali jong ka St Edmund School.
Now the no entry point for that particular day on the 23rd, it will be Dhankiti to Don Bosco. That will be a totally no vehicle zone for everybody. It will only be allowed entry only for VIPs, which we will be controlling at each point. So that, but it will be totally no entry. Then now the most important parking, which we have noticed that when people come from rural areas, they mostly travel in heavy vehicles. You've seen buses, trucks and all that. So if that kind of traffic have to enter Lamukra, you can understand the entire Shillong city will come to a stop. So we have arranged specific places for parking heavy vehicles. So all those vehicles coming from Madan Riting area towards the city, heavy vehicles, we are parking the vehicles at Nongthamai Playground, then Madan Yeranghep Ground, Lamkra. For all vehicles coming from Upper Shillong site, we will be parking the vehicles in Butcher Road. Butcher Road is this road which is from General's Point right down to the bottom. So we will be ensuring that no other parking is allowed on that particular day. It will be meant simply for the big vehicles coming from Upper Shillong side. So we are looking at vehicles coming from the Sora, Dauki, Panosla, West Khasi Hills and all those areas. Then for all big vehicles coming from the Ribhoi side from GS Road, the vehicles will enter from Molai, the usual road. We are going to take them inside Molai area, Port Mori, and then we are going to take them to Polo Ground, where they will be parked in the Polo parking lot as well as second ground if the requirement is needed. Now these are for the big vehicles. Now all small vehicles coming from other parts of the district, we also hear that a lot of people are coming from outside the state also for the funeral. So all light vehicles, we have kept the parking center at the Celestial Training Center, Don Bosco Technical School, which will be reserved purely for people that we are allowing. For Don Bosco Technical School, there are vehicles which we are allowing, which is a request from the church itself. They have given passes, and for some VIPs who will enter from Don Bosco and straight into the Don Bosco Technical School. That will be only selected, as well as the Celestial Training Center, which is at the top, where we are looking at, faithfuls of maybe of the priests and senior nuns and fathers who are coming from different other parish. They will be sent up. Now for the public all small vehicles, we will start with Monkey Playground, then the Christ King College basketball court, St. Mary's School campus, then the Moro Institute of Integral Training, St. Anthony's College basketball court, St. Margaret's Compound, St. Anthony's High School, Loreto Convent, then also the new parking lot of Loreto Convent School, St. Edmund's College parking lot.
Nakalyang ka concludia lengwa kalapan paru ia kenuksa juki nong song kasno maulai hakasngi bawan poi kemen jong Most Reverend Dominic Jala hakababaro ki pajba kemchem lasai kali Henry kilaya de kijan banlat na kajing tang kali kumta hakasngi tapru katnat pulet kala kerpat ye ki nong song kanong ba shilong balada kila kidai banmi bat yat bai de kajan banet on tap ya kemet jong Most Reverend Dominic Jala kenang ba kanyarap shibo ni ki pulet penyat kali banweng ye kajing tang kali.
We from the police department, from the traffic branch, we have to appreciate the public in Molai. That when the cortege of the late Archbishop entered Molai from the bypass, there was not a single vehicle, not a single bike or scooter. Everybody went on foot. Nobody brought their cars at all. I mean, that has to be really appreciated. That is why it was so easy. We had put a huge deployment for traffic, but our boys was just standing. They didn't have to do any traffic control at all. So I am requesting personally the public of Shillong City, if they are coming for the funeral, they can just walk here from Jiao to Lemkra or from Lemkra to Nongmai. If the city people walk, then we allow the entry of vehicles coming from outside the district because they have to come by vehicle. But I think that if the people of Shillong can just walk there to the funeral, I think it will save a lot. And the example is that it was the most successful arrangement made by the people of Molai, where it was cutting across all lines, all religious lines. The entire Molai, as the Darbar Shnong, the church had made a request, and the people of Molai did exactly just that. It was one of the most beautiful funeral processions. It's just that it was at night, but you've never seen that kind of operation. So if we do the same thing in Lemkra, then I think it wouldn't be a problem.